All right, well, it's now the 18th, June 2026. I'm up on the day, $367. I'm just gonna get off here, honestly, right now. This, by the way, this P&L is an eval. This is not my funded account. I have my funded on my phone here. Up $367, 36 cents, risking only with literally one micro. Like that's pretty much all I risk on my funded. And I took one trade. It was right at market open, and what a trade! What a trade this was! This was an incredible trade. Um, Bias for the day was actually, so I had a short bias from this low volume node. If we had traded through it and got above it, I was going to be more long for the day. But we're also in. Are we still in negative gamma? Let's see. We were in negative gamma at the start. Yeah, we're still in negative gamma. Okay, so negative 700. So when I came into this day, I immediately saw we're in negative gamma by like 3 billion. And it kind of switched around. It's still negative. So I did like the news is bullish today. But I just knew I saw this like setting up in the pre-market. This like level was gonna get hit. This is this very beautiful low volume node here from this move down, and we had swept out this high, and I was like, holy shit! Dude. I was also looking at the heat map. There was like a ton of liquidity up here that got filled, and basically, I mean basically this was an A setup. I mean this had everything. We had a CVD on the 1 minute. You can see I marked it out. From this high gets taken, this high doesn't get taken. We have a lot of buyers getting absorbed here, and like I said, there was huge liquidity here on the heat map. It was a really good spot for price to turn around, and then we have an inverse gap on the 1 minute, and I took profit at this low volume node. This was like a spot where I thought price could possibly react if we open lower into it, but I mean, what a trade! What a trade! Out in literally 3 minutes. I'm literally done for probably not. I don't know if I'm done for the day. Now I do have to go over my FOMC trade, which I made $197 on my funded on the FOMC trade. Not my proudest moment. Let me get rid of these. Let me get rid of these lines. Not my proudest trade, the FOMC trade. Can I get rid of the volume profile? Yeah. So this was a great trade, but I mismanaged it really bad. I don't know why. Like I mismanaged it exactly, but this is where it was. So it was right at the end. There were no setups for me in these other moves. There was some pretty good like internal price action, but just no like key levels to take trades off of. Especially down here, we had a good 30-second setup with this CVD, but there was again just no key level. The trade I took was so this right here. This was the new week opening gap. Like we barely filled it, but we still had to fill it completely down here. So I assume. Wait, did we fill it? Oh, maybe we did fill it. I swear we. Oh no, we didn't. Okay, yeah, because we were right here. So the trade I took was right here. It was actually off a 2 minute because this was like the best. We're still going down. We're still going down, dude. Dang. 2 minute right here. Jesus, look at the tape, dude. The tape is going crazy. This was the trade. Right here. Stop here. Take profit right here. Now, great trade, right? Value area low. We had VWAP here. Did we have any other confluences for this trade? We had session value area low. We also had the RTH value area low. I marked off on my journal, so I'm guessing it was around here. But so I'm not gonna lie, this trade, I did not end up. God damn it, keeps putting me back here. I did not hold this to these lows. Unfortunately, I am a bad trader, and I freaking took it off right here. couple reasons why. So let me put where I took it off. So I took it off right here. So it was, I think it was actually a 1-to-1. I think my stop was like right here. So I originally had my take profit here. I don't know why, like, I was looking at this and I was seeing on the like there was a CVD forming on the 5-minute. I don't even remember where it was, but the other thing is there was this like big order on ES that was down here, a big liquidity level that had filled, and for some reason I just thought this low was not gonna hit. And what I did was I ended up moving my stop. Actually, first I moved it above this high, and that was like locking in $100 of profit. Then I moved it above this high, which locked in like 200, and I did get wicked out above this high on this wick, and then obviously price ran to my full TP. I was really upset about this one. Honestly, it was such a good trade. It was a good setup. So we had like a CVD here, this high to this high, and then we had the inverse gap. We have the session low. Like good trade. I don't know why I did, like, I don't really do this that much for some reason. I think it was the heat map, like seeing the liquidity down here get taken, and then I don't know, dude. I'm not happy about it, but that's so that P&L, the 197 plus the 367 today is going to be something. I'll put it in the title, but anyway, oh wait, I can see it right here in my journal. So 564.54 for this trade, and then the trade today. So this should have been a much better trade. I am, journaling about this. Like this is not good trading, what I did right here. But either way, that might do it for me for the week, honestly, because tomorrow is a holiday and I kind of want to sleep in. So yeah, pretty decent week except for this trade, honestly.